Chapter number 2 is left.
Morning, sir.
Morning, good morning. Some portions.
Sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
उनसे कौन तो दोस्त था? इससे कौन है हमारे दोस्त?
Okay, class
Sir,
4.
chapter 2 subject and predicate है.
Some portion, कुछ parts बाकी थे second chapter में. So let us study about parts of sentences in second chapter. I taught you in my last class that a single sentence is divided into two parts. That is number A, subject, and number B, its predicate. Students, look carefully. And I have given you some example. I have taught you some example, like see the example that Ram is my brother. Ram is my brother. So what is subject here? As you know that Ram is subject here. Ram is subject here. And what is predicate? The sentence which is saying something about Ram means about subject. That is called predicate. Predicate. Yes, I have taught these things in my last class. I have taught you the definition of subject and predicate. Now let us see subject in imperative sentence or as a command. Subject in commands. Subject in commands. Now, how to find out subject in commands? You know the definition of subject and you know the definition of predicate. Now, let us see subject in command. There are some sentence, students, that it's not easy to find out that a subject is not mentioned in that sentence. कुछ ऐसे sentence होते हैं जहाँ पे subject mention नहीं रहता है, लेकिन फिर भी हमें अपने आप ये समझ जाना है कि उसमें subject क्या है. Now, look here. Commands means simply take as an imperative sentence. Now look here. First question. Come here. Second. Go there. Third. Please help me. Okay. In such type of sentences, how to find out that what is the subject here? The subject is not mentioned here. इसमें subject mention नहीं है. ये एक sentence है और हमें इसको differentiate करना है subject में और predicate में. We have to find out that what is the subject here and what is the predicate here. So how to find out? Like in commands, इस तरीके के कोई sentence. Commands का मतलब होता है जो order देता हो. ऐसा कोई like take one example. I am giving you a order. Sit down. Sit down. Now, what is subject here? इसमें subject in चारों sentence में. Now, find out the subject in for this 4 sentence. Students, how to find out? अगर यहाँ पे subject mention नहीं है, तो ये समझ लेना कि इसका subject क्या है? What is the subject here? You, which is not mentioned. You come here. You go there. You please help me. You please help me. You sit down. You sit down. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. और ये किस प्रकार के sentence है? What type of sentence are this? These are imperative sentence. These are imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentences हैं जिनका subject नहीं दिया हुआ है, लेकिन हमें subject अगर like one more example look here. ये समझ में आ गया? ये sentence इतना ही रहता है. Come here. What is subject here? Then you have to mention. अलग से आपको mention करना पड़ेगा that you is the subject here and what is the predicate here? Come here. Come here is the predicate. I hope you understand. समझ में आ गया होगा कि कुछ ऐसे sentence होते हैं जिसमें subject दिया नहीं रहता है. It's not given. It's not mentioned. by default we have to understand that the subject in this sentence is you. In this sentence is you means in all this sentence the subject is you. In सारे subjects sentence में subject क्या है आपका? You है. That is you. Okay. Now look here. If there is a question, there is one question in your book like help me. This is the question, help me. अब आपको यहाँ पे ये करना है कि write down the subject here. Write down the subject here. What is the subject? You will write down here, and what is the predicate? You will write down here. Student, listen carefully. Subject और predicate मैंने last class में पढ़ाया था. I taught you in my last class, and today subject in commands like help me full stop, help me full stop. Now what is the subject here? यहाँ तो subject दिया नहीं है, तो हम कैसे पता करेंगे कि what is subject here? So by default आपको ये पता ये आपको मैं बता रहा हूं कि अगर इस तरीके का कोई सेंटेंस आता है then you have to mention that what is the subject in this sentence. इस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट क्या है? You है. Okay. And what is the predicate? The predicate is help me. You help me. Or now see again second sentence. Rahul is my friend. Rahul is my friend. Now what is the subject here? इसमें subject क्या है? Then write down subject here. It is Rahul. And what is the predicate? Predicate is my friend. Is my friend. Now look at the other example. Look at some more example. Look at some more example. Look at some more example. Number third. Bridges is my best friend. Now again, what is the subject here in this sentence? Bridges. It is the subject, you will write here. And what is predicate? You will write here. Got it? Fine? Okay, now I hope you understand. Now look at some how to find out subject in questions. Subject in question. Students, as we have learned till now that the subject always comes at the beginning of the sentence, but in question the subjects always come at the end. Now look here, the first example. Who are you? Question mark. Now what is the subject here? The subject here is you, and the remaining will be predicate. Take some more example. Take some more example. Where is your mother? What is the subject here? The subject here is mother. Mother is subject. बेटा हर बार सब्जेक्ट assertive sentence और imperative sentence में beginning में आ रहा था, लेकिन क्वेश्चंस में सब्जेक्ट हमेशा लास्ट में आता है. Got it? Now look at now there are some questions. There are some questions in your book. आपके बुक में कुछ questions है. I will help you out with those question. First question. How are you? Question mark. Second question. Switch on the television. Full stop. Third question. sit on the chair. One more question. Mona is playing cricket. Okay, now look at the board. In exam, if I ask you such type of question, इस प्रकार का अगर क्वेश्चन आता है, the question will be that circle the subject and underline the predicate. Circle the subject को हमें क्या करना है? Subject, look here. Subject को हमें we have to circle the subject and predicate को हमें क्या करना है? Underline. Now look here. How are you? This is question. It's a question, interrogative question. So now here the subject is you. So circle the subject and underline the predicate. Now switch on the television. Now look carefully. Which sentence is this? It's an imperative sentence. It's an imperative. ये एक imperative sentence है. इसमें subject नहीं दिया हुआ है. By default हमें subject को add करना है. So what is the subject here? The subject here is you. And the remaining is predicate. Sit on the chair. It's also an imperative sentence. ये भी imperative sentence है. ये command कर रहा है, order कर रहा है कि sit on the chair. Then here इसमें भी आपका by default आपको अलग से use करना है. Separately you have to use here what? Subject. And what is the subject here? You. Circle it and the remaining is predicate. Now Mona is playing cricket. It's an assertive sentence. ये एक assertive sentence है. Here the subject is Mona and the sentence which is saying something about what? Subject, that is called predicate. Okay, this was your second chapter. The second chapter is over. Now I am coming back to the third chapter. Okay, students, now come to the third chapter. Chapter number 3. Kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. I have mentioned in my last class that how many types of sentences are there? There are 5 types of sentences. In my last class, I taught you, मैंने last class में आपको बताया था कि sentence कितने kinds के होते हैं? Sentence 5 types के होते हैं. But according to your book, आपके book के अनुसार it is of 4 types. It is of 4 types. Okay, student, in my last class, I have mentioned that how many types of sentences are there? There are 5 types of sentences. लेकिन आपकी book में कितना दे रहा है? 4 types of sentences. I am writing the name again. Look here. What is the name? The first is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Now see the second one. It is imperative sentence. It is imperative sentence. Now see the third one. It is number third one. It is interrogative sentence. It's an interrogative sentence. Now see the fourth one. That is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Now students, look at the board. The first thing, assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. Always ends with a full stop. इस हम कभी भी कोई assertive sentence लिखते हैं तो उसके last में full stop आता है. The second one, it also ends with a full stop. Imperative sentence also ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. And exclamatory sentence ends with a mark of exclamation. Now, look at the board. See the example. See the sentences. एग्जाम्पल टेक दिस वन इज माई ब्रदर, दिस 4 आर माई ब्रदर्स, ये मेरे 4 भाई हैं। इनमें से सबसे आसानी से आप किसको पहचान सकते हो? द थर्ड वन, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, ये सबसे आसान तरीके से आप इन दोनों को पहचान सकते हो। बट इन दोनों को पहचानना, बिकॉज दे बोथ एंड्स विद एन फुल स्टॉप, ये दोनों फुल स्टॉप यानी दोनों डबल रोल की तरह आ रहा है। इन दोनों को कैसे पहचानते हैं? नाउ लेट अस सी। आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज असर्टिव सेंटेंस एंड हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस। रिकॉग्नाइज का मतलब होता है पहचानना, इसको तो पहचान जाएंगे। व्हाट इज योर नेम, क्वेश्चन मार्क अगर लास्ट में लगा है, देन इट्स वेरी इजी टू फाइंड आउट दैट इट्स एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस। And if there is a mark of exclamation in any sentence, then you can say it's an exclamatory sentence. But how to find out the difference between imperative and assertive sentence, I will tell you now. Hope and you understand. Kinds of sentences, how many? There are 5 types of sentences. One more is there, operative sentences, but it's not there in your book. So let us study about this. 4. Assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. I hope you understand. Yes. Now I will help you how to find out this, how to recognize, हम कैसे पहचानेंगे। If we read any story, हम कोई story, passage या conversation पढ़ते हैं किसी book में, then we can see there are how many types? 4 types. ये चारों सेंटेंस इनके प्रकार जो है आपको बुक्स में, कॉपी में, स्टोरी में कहीं ना कहीं आपको मिलेगा। तो एट दैट टाइम हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज, कैसे पहचानेंगे कि हाँ सर ने तो हमें 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस sir have taught us. Now how to recognize them, I will help you now. Look at the board. Okay class, the first one is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Look at the definition, the answer. What is assertive sentence? A sentence that make a statement is called assertive sentence. Look here, this is the definition. You have to learn it. आपको ये याद करना होगा। Fine. Look here, assertive sentence. You have to learn this. अगर आपको ये याद रहेगा, then you can easily find out that which one is assertive sentence and which one is imperative sentence. हमें ये 2 सेंटेंस में जो लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप, यहाँ पे भी फुल स्टॉप लगा हुआ है एंड imperative सेंटेंस के लास्ट में भी फुल स्टॉप लगा रहेगा। तो हाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये imperative सेंटेंस है और ये assertive सेंटेंस है? नाउ लुक हियर, अ सेंटेंस दैट मेक अ स्टेटमेंट इज कॉल्ड assertive सेंटेंस। एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जो स्टेटमेंट देता हो उसे हम assertive। स्टेटमेंट मींस कथन, स्टेटमेंट मींस कथन, यानी कि कथा बताना, किसी के बारे में बताना। लाइक मैं अपने बारे में बता रहा हूं, माई नेम इज राजेश, इट्स एन असर्टिव सेंटेंस। नाउ लुक हियर, एग्जांपल, माई नेम इज राजेश। नाउ लुक हियर, full stop. This is assertive sentence. I am writing here assertive sentence. Now see the second one. This is my cap. This is my cap. Full stop. Then this is also an assertive sentence. Okay. Now this, what is this? What is this? It's a chalk. So we can write here that it is a chalk. Then it's also an assertive sentence. It's also an assertive sentence. Now what is this? It's a mobile. So I can write here, it is a mobile. It is a mobile. Now this is also an assertive sentence. Yes. Now look carefully.